Mashed potato, noodle. Peel off the potato, skin. Cut it into cubes. Cut the red chilies. Chop the garlic. We use Ice Mountain, hot pot 1000 milliliters. Add some water. Cook some noodle. Remove the cooked noodles. Heat some oil. Stir-fry the garlic. Add the potato cubes. Stir-fry it. Add some water. Boil it for 15 minutes. Season with soy sauce and oyster sauce. Mix evenly. Mash the boiled potatoes. Add spicy chili crisp and stir well. Add a little red chili. Add the cooked noodles, mix with mashed potatoes. It can be served directly as a bowl. Small portion, perfect for one person.